difference. Let's wait a bit. So here is still dry. Nakikita niyo yun? Ayun. At biglang ubus ang ulan. Ayan na po. It's raining. So during the whole travel, from many travels we have, we experience different kinds of weather. Umulan. Hindi naman yung malakas na bagyo. Snow, sunny day, hail. Hail ba? Okay. Ayan na po, maulan na.
Hindi nga bike basta
Akyat na po tayo ng Tiyuko. Tiyuko? So it's there is an overview. Ayan. Aakyat tayo sa taas. Okay, sadly it's raining. So, we're gonna stay inside the car. As you can see, ayan, napakatayo. At napakalakas na ulan dun. Kaya basa-basa na ako. Right, there we go. Ang lakas ng ulan dun, no. It's beautiful. It's different when it's summer. So we've been here last winter and it was zero visibility, and now nakikita nyo ang view. Alright, it's okay. We're here again. Up here, up here. Congratulations. You deserve a reindeer food. Ulam. Let's open the window. Okay, we've been here. This restaurant, a wooden restaurant. Tingnan natin sa taas. Ayan. Madami tayong picture dito last time. Oh, nasa tuktok na po tayo ng mountain. And there in the other side, there are also cable cars. That's actually for ski. Wow! Oh, yan ebidensya, we're here. Kahit umuulan, pumapasok na yung ulan. Here.
basa na may.
It's raining. Oh, dati zero visibility now. Wala, ulan. Yeah, we're at the top of the mountain. Okay. Bye. Can you see those cable cars? Cable cars ba yun? Diyan sumasakay yung mga nag-ski. Very high.
Sa mga pine tree, may bonsai.
Ayan. Kali sa mga bonsai, ayan yung bonsai mo. Oh. Sige na, kunin mo na yan. Lagay mo na dyan sa likod ng sasakyan. Sabi ko na namang video. It's a mountain and there's a lake. Ayan. Going down. Found a good place. We spend the night here. Yan, nasa front tayo ng ocean. And then we have cooking utensils. Alright. Medyo hindi pa siya nakaset up, but yeah, this is fine. Kawai dong. Ready ka na?
Ngisda ta daw niya.
Ngisda. Parang free resort. Oh. And diba? Tapos, magtatayo tayo ng building here. Building the tent. Okay, merong deer. Reindeer. Hello. What are you doing? Okay, diretso na po tayo ng Inari.
Nasa lang mga tao.
Yan, after staying in the ocean.
Nasa lang mga tao.
Then let's go. Alright, we're gonna spend the night here in Monio. Ayan, there are other cars here, caravan. Ayan, we're gonna stay here. Meron kaming mga neighbors. And look, So this time we will stay inside the car. Ayan, naka-set up na yun. So as you can see, it's already 12 in the morning. Yeah, for real, it's 12 in the morning, but it's still bright. Ayan, napakaliwanag pa po. And then look at that, our view. It's very beautiful. There's lots of islands over there. Wow. So we will sleep and we will continue our journey. So there are some stuff here like this, tables, grilling area, and there are also bikers who are sleeping here. Man, on the road. Evidence, ayan, sun is still shining. Start to get fog na because it's a bit cold. A bit. Yan, 12:10 in the morning. Morning yan ha, hindi yan 12 ng madaling ng tanghali. Yan. So ganito dito sa Finland. Napakaliwanag at walang dilim. Good morning! Dito na kami. In front of us, there's a nice view. Ayan, morning na naman. And 6 in the morning. Ayan, handa na kami ng aming breakfast. And then we're continuing our journey soon.